Hi and welcome back to the Preset channel. Today we've got some fantastic retro kits for you. Yes, long sleeve, it is winter time, so starting to get a little bit colder. And these beauties come from Koko101. Yes, we have got some absolute crackers from you for Koko101. Yes, retro kits to the max. They have got absolutely an abundance of it. It's ridiculous, really. Real Madrid, Barcelona, Portugal, Panathinaikos, Bayern Munich, France, the whole hog. West Ham, Arsenal, Liverpool, Juventus, AC Milan, you name it, they've got it. Retro kits from Koko101 are some of the best you can get. And I can see one of the ones that we're looking at today right off the bat. And there is the beautiful Brazil top. Look at that. From 1998. What an absolute cracker. But I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll show you it in person. And obviously being a yellow kit, we're going to have to show you it on the old green screen turned off today. There is an absolute cracker. Look at that. If we had the old green screen on today, we'd be in big trouble. So it comes in the Nike bag, obviously being a Nike shirt. We've got loads of tissue paper and a little silica gel thingamajiggy. And there is your retro 1998 Brazil long sleeve shirt. Now I've gone for this one for a change. It's a bit colder now. We haven't gone for, Ronaldo or anyone on the back. We've just made it plain and simple, so it can be made, just wear it around the house, wear it around, just something just to throw on, be a little bit chilly in the old winter days, nice long sleeve top. Look at this, the quality is beautiful, really well made. Like we're saying, these replica shirts, they are fantastic. And as a rule of thumb, always go one size up, just makes life easier, because sometimes these shirts can be a little bit snug. Now that one there has set me back $14, so about 10 quid. That is absolutely unbelievable. We've even got the Nike sports team old school badge down the bottom there, 2XL. Like I say, I'm an XL, I've gone for the 2XL. Nike Fit, which is another pressed on little badge down there. We've got the Nike Tick, which sewn on there. You can see a little bit. This is what I say before, some of these kits, whether they're replicas or seconds or whatever you want to call it, the badge there, it's slightly pulled by the edge of the swoosh. And whether that makes it a second, the same a little bit with the stars. You can't really hardly see it, but they are slightly pulled. The same at the bottom of the Brazil badge. There's a little bit, and when I say pulled, it's not like it's ripped or anything. It's got a bit tight. So when they've been stitched, they're just a little bit tight. And whether that makes it a second or not, I don't really know. But that there is an absolute cracker. Nothing on the back, nice and plain. The green stripe down through with the two stripes there. It is an absolute beauty. And that's the first of our replica shirts. Let's go and have a look at the next little beauty that we've managed to get hold of. We've got the old green screen back on for this one. Now, we've gone a few years back again. This one, 1989. What an absolute stunner. Yes, the old school Adidas Candy Liverpool shirt. Oh my word. That rubberized badges, thick. This isn't anything, this is back in the old days. I don't know if you can tell the thickness. That is like really thick. Whoa, this is stunning. I remember this shirt. I'm old. Heat pressed on, plasticky sort of rubber badge. Really quite stiff. Now this candy logo, oh my word. And the Liverpool badge from back in the day, look at that beauty. This is bringing back memories. Wow, look at the pattern. 1989. Eat your heart out. Liverpool badge in the neck as well, look. That's what it used to be like. Used to be really old school. Look at that. 2XL again. Nostalgia, I tell you. The old school Adidas three stripe. Now they are just like a piece of thick material stitched in all the way down the arm, and then the cuffs. Oh my goodness me. The elasticated cuff. This is an absolute cracker. You'd probably tell I'm a Liverpool fan. This is beautiful. I tell you what, we ain't got no aero ready down here. No, there's none of that malarkey on this one. This is just a good old school, nice, thick football shirt. And that set me back $19, about 15 quid. Well worth it. Every penny, 100%. Now for the final one today, we've gone a bit more modern. And we haven't even gone long sleeve. Yes, we've headed down to the championship for this one. Comes all bagged up with all the extras that you expect from Koko101. There we go. Now this shirt is very modern. My word. This after picking up that Liverpool shirt and picking up this, probably get about 3 shirts from this. My word. But the Middlesbrough away shirt, Castor. That is a stunner as well, isn't it? We've got, I tell you what, the difference in weight to the shirts what they used to be. These boys are privileged now running around in these, I tell you. So there we got it. Unibet 0% mission. Castor. So that is a stitched in badge there. Heat pressed on there. This is like a felt badge, sort of. It's been, not even picking up. What's it picking up the camera? There we go. If you can see it, it's sort of like a felty sort of badge. Heat pressed on. Don't see no stitching. Where is there? Maybe it is stitched actually. Yeah, maybe there is some sort of bit of stitching. I'm not convinced. If it is, it's blooming good. They've done a good job with it. So we've got the Castor in the neck there as well. On the back, we have the other sponsor, which is Pear Foods Co. Did see something over this side? Yes, we did. Telcos. This side, plain as you like. On the back, just the nice stripes down through. We have the Aerotech down that side. Yes, there was another badge. Oh, hello. You can see that it's been freshly done. I do like it when I see that. They've forgotten to take the little plastic bit off. So there, we have the Castor logo. Authentic Castor product. That there is an absolute cracker. I tell you what, I can't wait to see this lot in the Premier League next season. It's going to be great fun. And all because Koko101 has helped you out. This is an absolute bargain. Only costs about £7. Yes, that's right. £7. But my word, you can't go wrong with Koko101. Let's have a little look back at the website and see what other little bargains we can find. So with the new in, we've got lots and lots of stuff. Absolutely unbelievable, actually. Just a nice plain Nike training shirt, look. It says Palace on it. Is it for Palace? I don't know if that's right or not. What's this one say? It's got Palace on it. It doesn't say Crystal Palace, it just says Palace. So whether that's right or not. In fact, there we go, look. 3 polo shirts. I'm guessing you get all 3 for $11. Adidas polo shirts, look. That there is unbelievable. We choose your colour. Right, so it's one, right. Forget what I just said. It's one of them. You choose the colour you want. Caught me out then. Caught me out. You nearly did, Koko101. White, black, or blue. Choose one of them. $11. So you can get all 3 for what, about 26 quid? It's an absolute bargain from Koko101. Well, thank you very much for watching, boys and girls. Yes, bargains galore at Koko101. Christmas is coming. Why not go and get yourself a bargain? All you got to do is speak to Koko101. See you next time out. Thank you very much and goodbye.